Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips today. I dive into the wild world of Bitcoin and challenge myself to predict whether it's about to explode or not. Bitcoin has been making headlines for years, and its impact on the financial landscape is undeniable. From being a niche interest of tech enthusiasts to becoming a serious contender in the investment world, Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and the security provided by blockchain technology have made it a fascinating asset for both investors and speculators. The question on everyone's mind is whether Bitcoin is about to experience another significant price surge. Various factors contribute to its price movements, including market demand, regulatory news, and technological advancements. Understanding these factors can give us clues about its future performance. The cryptocurrency market has proven to be highly unpredictable, with prices fluctuating wildly based on a wide range of factors. Despite the uncertainty, Bitcoin remains at the forefront of the market, often setting the tone for other cryptocurrencies. The road to mainstream acceptance has been paved with both excitement and skepticism. But one thing is clear: Bitcoin is here to stay, and its potential for explosive growth continues to captivate audiences worldwide. The cryptocurrency market is currently navigating through a sea of uncertainties. Regulatory concerns continue to loom large, with various governments around the world still figuring out how to handle digital assets. In the United States, for example, there have been ongoing debates about how to classify cryptocurrencies and what kinds of regulations should be put in place. Market sentiment also plays a crucial role in the valuation of Bitcoin. Investor attitudes can shift rapidly based on news, trends, and global economic conditions. Positive sentiment can drive prices up, while negative sentiment can cause them to plummet. This volatility is a hallmark of the cryptocurrency market. Technological developments are another critical factor influencing Bitcoin's value. Its advances in blockchain technology and improvements in the scalability and security of the Bitcoin network can enhance its appeal to investors. Conversely, technological setbacks or security breaches can negatively impact its price. The global economic landscape also influences Bitcoin's price. In times of economic uncertainty, some investors turn to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset, similar to gold. This can drive up its price. Conversely, a strong economy might lead investors to riskier assets, potentially lowering Bitcoin's price. Furthermore, the halving events, which occur approximately every 4 years, have historically had a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. These events reduce the reward for mining new blocks, which can lead to increased demand and, consequently, a higher price. The regulatory environment in major economies is a significant concern. Clear and favorable regulations can boost investor confidence, while restrictive policies can dampen enthusiasm. Countries like El Salvador have taken a proactive approach by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, while others have been more cautious. The rise of institutional investment in Bitcoin has been a game changer. Large financial institutions and publicly traded companies investing in Bitcoin have lent credibility to the asset and opened the doors for more significant capital inflows. Despite these positive developments, challenges remain. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining has become a hot topic, with increasing pressure on miners to adopt more sustainable practices. This could potentially affect the cost and perception of Bitcoin in the future. Moreover, the market's reaction to major events, such as regulatory announcements or macroeconomic shifts, is always unpredictable. This unpredictability is part of what makes Bitcoin so fascinating and challenging to predict. The global financial system's interaction with cryptocurrency is evolving. Traditional financial institutions are increasingly exploring ways to integrate digital assets into their offerings, which could significantly affect Bitcoin's price. Additionally, retail investors' interest in Bitcoin has been on the rise, driven by the democratization of access to cryptocurrency trading. This broader participation can influence price movements. The interplay between these factors creates a complex environment for predicting Bitcoin's future. However, understanding these dynamics can provide valuable insights into the potential for growth. The trends in Bitcoin trading and investment strategies offer valuable insights into its potential future performance. Currently, there's a noticeable increase in institutional investment. With major financial institutions and corporations getting involved in Bitcoin, Some experts believe that historical patterns could repeat themselves, leading to a significant price increase. They point to the limited supply of Bitcoin and the growing demand as factors that could drive up the price. Market analysis also suggests that Bitcoin could be due for a breakout. The Relative Strength Index and other technical indicators can provide clues about Bitcoin's future price movements. The upcoming halving event, for instance, has historically led to price increases. If this pattern repeats, we could see a significant surge in Bitcoin's price. Expert opinions vary widely, but many agree that Bitcoin's long-term trajectory is upward. Short-term predictions are more challenging due to the market's volatility. The role of altcoins and their relationship with Bitcoin also plays a crucial role in market dynamics. Movements in altcoins can sometimes mirror or contrast with Bitcoin's price, adding another layer of complexity to market analysis. Technical advancements, such as improvements in scalability and the integration of second-layer solutions like the Lightning Network, are critical for Bitcoin's future. These developments can enhance Bitcoin's usability and attract more investors. Geopolitical factors and macroeconomic trends also influence Bitcoin's price. For example, currency devaluation in certain countries can increase interest in Bitcoin as a store of value. The discussion around Bitcoin's environmental impact and the shift towards greener mining practices are influencing investor perception and could play a role in future price movements. With all these factors in play, a pivotal piece of information is the growing institutional interest. Major investors and financial institutions are not only entering the market, but also advocating for clearer regulations. This increased institutional involvement brings more stability and credibility to the market. It also suggests that the market is maturing, which could lead to less volatility and more sustained growth. Upcoming events such as regulatory decisions or technological conferences can act as catalysts for price movements. Keeping an eye on these events can provide insights into potential future trends. Changes in market dynamics, such as shifts in investor sentiment or the emergence of new financial products, can also signal a potential breakout. The confluence of these factors creates a compelling case for Bitcoin's potential growth. While the market is inherently unpredictable, the trends and developments suggest a positive outlook. The integration of Bitcoin into traditional financial systems is becoming more seamless. This integration, combined with growing adoption, could lead to a significant increase in Bitcoin's value. The exploration of central bank digital currencies and their impact on Bitcoin is another area of interest. While CBDCs might compete with Bitcoin, they also validate the underlying blockchain technology. The data suggests that we could be on the cusp of a significant breakout. The combination of institutional investment, technological advancements, and growing adoption paints a promising picture for Bitcoin's future. In summary, the factors we've explored suggest that Bitcoin has the potential for significant price increases. From regulatory developments and market sentiment to technological advancements and institutional investment, the signs are promising.
Guys.
The complexity of the cryptocurrency market means that predictions are never certain. However, based on current trends and data, it seems that Bitcoin could be poised for a substantial surge in value. The journey of Bitcoin is a testament to the changing landscape of finance and investment. Its ability to adapt and grow in a rapidly evolving world is a key factor in its potential for explosive growth. The future of Bitcoin is undoubtedly exciting, with various factors aligning that could lead to a significant price explosion. Whether or not this happens remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: Bitcoin will continue to be a major player in the financial world. What do you think about Bitcoin's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.